now you'd want to take your utility knife, find the wood up at the top of the base of the arm right there, open it up. You'll see the connection is coming out, and then you can pull it down towards you, then push the back side of the thumb lever till the clip comes out and unplug. Inside the cup holder underneath this rubber coaster, so you're going to take a standard blade, put it down in there, and just work it around so you can pop the coaster out. It does have an adhesive on the back side, so set that aside. Use the number 2 Phillips. They're like wood screws down at the bottom. And once you've unclipped it down at the base of the arm, you'll pull it straight up and pull it out, and there is the control panel, and then there's the connection. When you're reinstalling the cup holder, you'll want to go down and then in front of the wood. So you just slowly hand feed it down through, and then you'll line everything back up, making sure the wires are not in between the cup holder and the wood. Then once you have the wires safely underneath, go ahead and run the screws back through and just snug them up. They don't have to be hammered tight. Okay, with that cut, you should be able to find the other end. Snapping it back together, you have a little knot, and then the thumb release, clip it together, then just take it back up and feed it back up inside. Then you'll have your normal functions of the light, which will light up the ring and down on the floor, then massage, and then the heat.